Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to change Epic Games email without verification. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to store.epicgames.com. Once you're here, make sure you start at the store page. Now to start this tutorial, click on Support. This will lead you to another tab. Just wait for it to load. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down. Then you're going to click on Accounts. Wait for the website to load once again. Once you're here, you're going to scroll up, and then you're going to look for trending topics. In here, scroll down once again, because you can't find what you're looking for, you're going to click on Contact Us. In here, this will be a support request. Now just type in your details, from your username to your email address, and then your platform as well. If you're using PC, go to PC. If Mac, use Mac. In this box over here, you are going to type in your plea or your problem or issue regarding your Epic Games account. You can follow with what I'm saying, or you can make or type your very own. Go ahead, take your time. I'll be here waiting. Don't you worry, I'm still here. Just go ahead, take your time. Once done, scroll up and then submit an email request. You can also attach videos or photos to support your cause in your support to Epic Games. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.